Hi folks, this is Murtuza here, and in this video I wanted to share with you a simple information that will help you to build your online business. And what I wanted to tell you is that if you are really not confident to build your online business, there are simple ways that you can use to actually gain the confidence to get started. Okay, and these are some basic things which you might probably know, but with what I'll be telling you is you will get a simple plan to start boosting up your confidence so that you can at least get started. The main problem of a newcomer online is that they don't even get started. They just keep hunting for more and more information, more and more products, but when the time comes to get started, to take the first step, they lock themselves. Okay, so here's something that I wanted to tell you. Okay, the first step you should understand is that setting up an internet business can be made as complicated as possible, and it can be made as simple as possible. So just get started within few days. Okay, all you need to have your own business setup is: number one, you need to have a squeeze page; second, autoresponder; and third, just one product to promote. And if this is not your product, that's absolutely okay. You can just pick up any affiliate product. These are the three keys, three things you need to get started. Okay, have one. First thing is you should be having a squeeze page. Okay, now it's very simple to create a squeeze page. All you need is few paragraph of content, something to give away to your subscriber, and you don't have to create a huge report or something. What all you have to do is create a small piece of information. Okay, for example, there was a marketer. He created a squeeze page with where he gave his visitors. This guy was in dating niche. Okay, and all he did is he gave away just one paragraph of information called the kiss test. Okay, it was named as the kiss test, and basically it was just a one paragraph information, and he told his visitors on his website that when you know what is included in this kiss test, you will realize that when a girl is ready to kiss you. Okay, so this was a pretty good information, and it was just a one paragraph information where he shared this valuable information to the subscribers. Okay, where they will come to know when the girl is ready to kiss you. This is the exact information that you should be knowing. Okay, this is the testing part. You should be knowing that when the girl is ready to kiss you. Okay, so that simply means is that the information was so valuable that it was just a one paragraph information, and that guy just created a simple squeeze page, one paragraph information, and the business was set up, and he just picked up any affiliate program that he could sell, and he was in business. The same thing you can do it. It's not important that you create a very huge report or a huge product to give away to your subscribers. You can just give a few paragraph of information in the first email, and you can just throw out a squeeze page, a simple squeeze page. You get many templates out there on the internet. Okay, free templates that you can use to create a squeeze page. Create a squeeze page, create a single few paragraphs of very valuable content, and third, pick out a product to sell. The three things you need to get started. And once you get started, you get the momentum to continue. Okay, because the way a human brain works is that if you keep working, if you keep doing something, you get more energy to do that work. Okay, and the momentum continues. But if you just sit down idle and you don't do anything, then you probably get lazy and you don't do anything. Okay, so that is how the human brain works. So the most important step is don't figure out anything, don't think any negative thoughts, just get started. Get a squeeze page, get an emails, get a few paragraph in your first email, and pick out one affiliate product and get started. And if you are getting stuck up at any stage, shoot me an email and I'll help you to set up this system. Okay, so all I want to tell you is don't wait, get out of your comfort zone and build action habit. Okay, keep doing action. Okay, keep taking action. So when I sit in front of my camera to shoot videos, okay, when I get started early in the morning and I start shooting videos. So that day, I get a momentum and I keep shooting videos, and sometimes there is a day when I have 10-20 videos done. But when I get lazy and I don't even shoot my first video, then I tend to get lazy and I just sit down and won't do anything. Okay, so that is how it is. Get a squeeze page, get a few paragraph of content to give away for free to your subscribers in your first email, and pick out just one affiliate product. You can go to clickbank.com and type in your niche, take one product and just get started. Put up your website and you will automatically get the energy and the momentum to continue building this up. Okay, and if you're stuck up and you want to build a very successful online business, make sure you do these 3 steps first. Okay, don't pick up any training, don't listen to anyone, don't check your emails. Okay, just take action, get one squeeze page, few paragraphs of content, one affiliate product, and then if you want to gain more knowledge, you want to learn more about this stuff, there's a link right below this video where you can gain my complete video training package, and I'll be showing you a detailed and an advanced stuff to build your online business from scratch. So with this, I'll end up this video and I wish you all the very best and success. Make sure you get started, because 80% people don't get started, and that is the biggest reason they fail. And I don't want you to fail, I want you to get started. I want you to go in that motion state, okay, so that once you have your website up and ready, once you have your squeeze page ready, you will get more energy to build more emails, you will get energy to create products, you will get energy to drive traffic to your website, everything. But first, have that one squeeze page up and ready, and you will be really amazed as to the power that you will be receiving, okay, to take more action in the future. So with this, I wish you all the very best and success, and I'll end up this video and make sure you get into action. All the best.